Hello, everyone, and welcome back where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hi, everyone. It is so wonderful to be here today. I am very, very happy to see you all.
I am happy too, Paul. You look great today. How are you?
I am doing very well, thank you. I have my green tea, the sun is shining, and I am ready to talk. And you, Emily?
I am fantastic. I had a very good morning. I went for a walk in the park and I saw many flowers. It was very relaxing.
That sounds beautiful. A walk in the park is always a good idea.
It is. But today, Paul, we have something very special for our listeners.
Oh, I love special episodes. What is it?
Today is a Q&A episode, question and answer.
Wow, that is great. I love answering questions from our friends at home.
Me too. We have many messages from people all over the world. They have questions about learning English and about life.
That is so cool. I am excited to help.
But before we start, Paul,
Oh yes, everyone, if you like our conversations, please click the like button right now. It is a big help for us.
yes, it really is. And please subscribe. We want to make many, many more podcasts for you.
And don't forget to share this with your friends or your family. If they are learning English, they can listen and learn with us.
Exactly. Okay, Paul, are you ready for the first question?
I am ready. Let's do it.
Okay, our first question is from Anna in Mexico. Anna asks, I am very busy with work and my family. How can I find time to study English every day?
Oh, that is a very good question, Anna. Many people feel this way. Life is very busy.
It is. I think everyone feels a bit tired sometimes, just like you were last week, Paul.
Yes, exactly. My advice for Anna is this. Start small. You do not need 2 hours every day.
I agree. 2 hours is a long time. What can she do instead?
Well, she can try the 10-minute rule. Just 10 minutes of English.
10 minutes? That is very short.
It is, but 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours only on Sunday.
That is so true. You can listen to a podcast, like our podcast, while you cook dinner or while you are on the bus.
Yes, or you can read one short story before you go to sleep. 10 minutes is easy to find.
I love that. And you can even practice while you brush your teeth. You can think about your day in English.
I am brushing my teeth. Now I am washing my face. It sounds funny, but it works.
It does. So, Anna, don't worry about big study times. Just 10 minutes a day is a great victory.
Good job, Anna. What is the next question, Emily?
The next question is from Hiro in Japan. Hiro says, I know many words, but when I speak, I forget everything. I feel very nervous. What can I do?
Oh, Hiro, I understand you perfectly. Feeling nervous is very normal.
It is the #1 problem for many learners. Paul, what do you do when you feel nervous?
Well, like we talked about in our confidence episode, I remember that mistakes are my friends.
Yes, mistakes show that you are trying, but Hiro says he forgets the words.
I think Hiro should practice mirror talking.
Mirror talking? Tell me more.
It's simple. You stand in front of a mirror at home, you look at yourself, you smile, and you talk.
Talking to yourself?
Yes, you can talk about your day, or your favorite food, or your hobbies. Because you are alone, there is no pressure. No one is watching.
Ah, I see. So if you forget a word, it is okay. You can just look it up or try a different word.
Exactly. It builds the muscle in your brain. When you talk to a real person later, your brain remembers the feeling of speaking.
That is a great tip. And remember, Hiro, you don't need to use big, difficult words. Simple words are beautiful.
Yes, I am happy is just as good as a big, complex sentence. Communication is the goal, not perfection.
Well said, Paul. Okay, ready for question number 3?
Bring it on.
This one is from Maria in Italy. Maria asks, I want to save money for a trip, but I spend too much money on small things. How can I stop?
Ah, Maria, we just talked about this. Maria, you need a bicycle jar, or maybe a travel jar.
Yes, Paul's famous jar.
It really works, Emily. Maria, you should look at your needs and your wants.
That is the most important part. Do you need that third coffee at the cafe, or is it a want?
Exactly. If Maria makes her coffee at home, she can put that money into a jar.
And she should put a picture of her trip on the jar. If she wants to go to Paris, she can put a picture of the Eiffel Tower there.
Oh, I love that. When she looks at the money, she doesn't think, I'm losing a coffee. She thinks, I'm going to Paris.
It changes your feeling from sad to happy. Saving becomes a game.
Yes, and a shopping list is very important too. When you go to the supermarket, only buy what is on the list. No extra cookies.
But Paul, you love cookies. Remember the cookies for Tom and Sarah at your office?
Okay. Maybe one small bag of cookies is okay, but only one.
You are right. Small steps, Maria. You can do it.
Good luck, Maria. I hope you go on a wonderful trip.
Okay, Paul. We have a question here from David in France. David asks, how can I understand English speakers when they talk very fast? It sounds like one big word.
Oh, wow. Yes, that is very difficult. Sometimes I listen to movies and I think, what do they say?
Me too. Even for me, some people talk very, very fast.
My tip for David is to listen to the music of the English language.
The music? English isn't a song, Paul.
No, but it has a rhythm. Some words are loud and long, and some words are small and quiet.
That is true. We usually stress the important words, like nouns and verbs.
Yes. David, try to listen for the important words. You don't need to hear every the, or of.
If you hear go, supermarket, Friday, you understand the meaning.
Exactly. Also, David can try active listening. Listen to a short audio, maybe 1 minute long. Listen many times.
The first time, just listen. The second time, try to write down 3 words. The third time, try to understand the whole story.
Yes, and use subtitles in English if you watch a movie. It helps your eyes and ears work together.
That is a very good idea. Don't feel bad if you don't understand everything. Just keep listening. It gets easier.
It really does. It's like a puzzle. Slowly, the pieces fit together.
Great. Now we have time for one more question. This one is from Elena in Brazil.
Oh, Brazil. Hello, Elena.
Elena says, I am moving to a new city for work. How can I make new friends and practice my English at the same time?
Oh, moving is so exciting, but it can be a little lonely too.
It can, but it is a great chance to use English.
Elena, you should look for interest groups.
What are those?
Groups for people who like the same things. For example, a photography club, or a cooking class, or a hiking group.
Oh, so if Elena likes cooking, she can join a class. Everyone is there to cook, so it is easy to talk.
Yes, you can ask simple questions like, do you like this recipe, or is this salt?
Is this salt? That is a very safe question.
Well, it starts a conversation, and because you are doing an activity, you don't feel so nervous.
That's true. And you can use the tips from our confidence episode. Smile, say hello, and give a compliment.
Yes, I like your apron, or you are a very good cook. People love that.
And maybe she can find a language exchange, a place where people meet to practice different languages.
Those are fantastic. You help someone with your language, and they help you with English. It's a win-win.
Exactly. So, Elena, be brave. Go to one new place every week. You will meet many nice people.
I agree. Brazilians are very friendly, and I am sure people in your new city will be friendly too.
Wow, Paul, we answered a lot of questions today.
We did. It was a lot of fun. I feel like I learned something too.
Me too. It is so nice to hear from our listeners. They're all working so hard.
They really are. Good job, everyone. We are very proud of you.
Before we go, Paul, should we remember the main points from today?
Oh, yes, that is a good idea. Let me think.
Well, first, we talked about time. Remember what we said to Anna?
Yes, the 10-minute rule. You don't need hours and hours. Just 10 minutes of English every day is perfect.
Exactly. And for Hero, who was nervous about speaking,
Smile and talk to the mirror. It sounds a little silly, but it really helps you feel ready for a real conversation.
it does. And I liked what we told Maria about money.
Oh yes, the wants and needs, and the jar. A picture of your goal on a jar helps you save money for your dreams.
I want to make a jar for my next vacation now.
Me too. And for David, we said, listen for the important words. Don't worry about every small sound.
Right. Listen to the rhythm, like music. And for Alina, moving to a new city,
Join a club. Find people who like what you like. It is the easiest way to make friends and practice English without stress.
such good tips, Paul. We make a good team.
We really do, Emily.
Well, that is all for today's episode of
Yes, thank you so much for all your wonderful questions. We are sorry if we didn't answer yours today, but maybe next time.
Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed our chat.
And share it. Let's help more people feel confident in English.
And now we have a question for all of you listening.
Oh yes, tell us in the comments what is your biggest goal for English this year?
Or you can tell us what is one question you want us to answer in the next Q&A.
We love reading your comments. They make us very happy.
They really do. Well, thank you again for being here with us.
Yes, thank you everyone. You are amazing.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.
Bye for now.